Hello everyone, today we'll install the Snow Plow Kit. Open the box and take out all the accessories. First, configure the snow frame assembly. Take out the U-clamp and install it as shown in the video, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it with screws. Next, configure the snow shovel. Unplug the pins that hold the snow shovel in place. Disassemble the screw sleeve as shown in the video. Install the liner actuator, paying attention to its orientation. Tighten it with a wrench, being careful not to over-tighten. Assemble the snow frame assembly and snow shovel together. Secure it with 2 pins. Connect the liner, actuator, and snow frame assembly wires, paying attention to the arrows on the wire ends. Install the snow frame assembly to the machine. Install the lower clamper until it is fully seated. Secure the snowplow kit to the machine with screws and the lower clamp.